So if we look at question number 43, we can see that this is also a optimization nut question. And we'll first look for our constraints. So we have three positive numbers. I'll name them x, y, and z, and they're all going to be over 0 because they're positive. And we know the sum is 100. And since they're asking for the product at a maximum, we'll say that our objective function is going to be of x, y, z. This is a product. And we can substitute z as 100 minus x minus y. And we're going to plug that z into our objective function, making this function look like this. So we'll first get our critical points since we're looking for the maximum. Again, because we don't have a closed bounded region really, we can't use EVT, and we're going to go off of the theorem that there's probably going to be a maximum when we look for this in this function, and there's not going to be a minimum because it's not bounded at this 0. So whatever critical point we get is probably going to be our maximum. So f of x, we'll use product rule in saying that y 100 minus x minus y plus xy, here is -1, is going to be 0, and f of y is going to be like x 100 minus x minus y is going to be plus xy -1. Now, if we simplify this a little bit, and this, we can sort of already get a couple hints, and that's that these are all positive numbers. So the chance of these being, we can also rewrite this if we want to be more sure. They're grouping by x, so we'll add 2x minus y and 2y to here. And like I was saying, these are both positive. All of them are positive, so the chance of these being 0 are going to be nil. So these two are going to be our zeros. And we can equate these two parts because they both equal to 100. And this basically shows that x equals y, and for them to make this 0, it's basically going to look like this, which make x equals 1 over 100 over 3, and this equals to y, which is also 100 over 3. And let's look what z was. Oh, that's another 100 minus x minus y, which is going to be another 100 over 3. So when it's a maximum, our three positive numbers are going to be 100 over 3, 100 over 3, and 100 over 3. And we can see that this is the maximum occurs when these are all equal because the function itself is symmetric and the constraint is symmetric. It doesn't matter which one you choose to substitute at the initial, all the variables are going to be the same, all the variables are interchangeable, and so it doesn't really matter which one you do and that kind of shows you that all of these are pretty much the same, and the maximum is going to occur when all of these are the same.